Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred at one or two places over the Assam and coastal Karnataka, and heavy rainfall was reported over the Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, and south interior Karnataka, and one or two places over the Telangana. Yesterday, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions were also prevailed over many parts of Gangetic West Bengal, over some parts of the Odisha, and in isolated pockets over north interior Tamil Nadu and Telangana. And yesterday, hailstorm activity was reported mainly over the plains of northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, northwest Rajasthan, and also over the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And if you look for the yesterday's maximum temperatures, then mainly the maximum temperatures were in the range of 42 to 43 degrees centigrade over many parts of Chhattisgarh, Telangana, some parts of Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, East Uttar Pradesh, and interior parts of the Maharashtra. However, over the remaining parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and plains of northwest India, maximum temperatures were in the range of 37 to 39 degrees centigrade. In the upcoming 5 days, the maximum temperatures very likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, mainly over the East India after 48 hours, and over the Maharashtra, the maximum temperatures very likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade after 48 hours, and over the remaining parts of the country, the temperatures continue to be in the same range. And if you look for the maximum temperature departure wise, the maximum temperatures are above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over many parts of Gangetic West Bengal, northern parts of the Odisha, and in isolated pockets over the East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and some parts of the south interior Karnataka and the Rayalaseema, which can be seen in the red color patches. And over the plains, mainly over the Rajasthan, Gujarat, southwest Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, these temperatures are below normal. If you look for the heat wave warning, then mainly the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions continue to prevail over the Gangetic West Bengal, over the mainly the many parts of the Gangetic West Bengal, and today and tomorrow from 22nd April onwards, there will be some reduction in heat wave conditions over the region. However, heat wave conditions at isolated pockets will continue over the Gangetic West Bengal. As far as the Odisha is concerned, the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions will continue over the mainly over the northern parts of the Odisha on today, and from tomorrow onwards, the heat wave conditions will be gradually evade. However, at one or two places, the heat wave conditions will continue over the north Odisha on 21st and 22nd of April. Even from the 23rd of April, there will be the complete abatement of the heat wave conditions over the Odisha. Similarly, over the Bihar, the heat wave conditions will continue at one or two places in all the 5 days. However, over the Jharkhand, the heat wave conditions will be experienced at mainly over the South Jharkhand at one or two places during next 3 days, and over the East Uttar Pradesh, the heat wave conditions will be experienced at one or two districts on today. And similarly, if you look for the warm night conditions, then mainly the East Uttar Pradesh and northern parts of the Madhya Pradesh very likely to experience warm night conditions in the during next 2 days, where the maximum temperatures will exceed by 40 degrees centigrade. And similarly, over the Madhya Maharashtra, the warm night conditions will be seen during next 24 hours. If you look for the today's chief synoptic features, then today the western disturbance can be seen as a cyclonic circulation over Pakistan and adjoining Jammu Kashmir region. Over the northeast India, a circulation lies over the northeast Assam. A trough also runs from Bihar up to the circulation over the Assam. Over the peninsular India, a trough runs from north interior Karnataka up to the south Tamil Nadu, and over the central India, a trough runs from Vidarbha, which goes up to the Goa region. Because of these synoptic features, if you look for the heavy rainfall warning, then mainly over the heavy rainfall activity will continue over the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and Meghalaya during next 5 days. However, over the mainly over the Nagaland and Manipur, the heavy rainfall will continue on today and tomorrow. From 22nd of April onwards, there will not be any heavy rainfall conditions over the Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, or Tripura, and over the Karnataka and over the Goa region, heavy rainfall activity is very likely during next 24 hours. From 21st of April onward, there will not be any heat wave conditions over the rest part of the country. And if you look for the hailstorm warning, then mainly the Telangana is likely to experience hailstorm activity at one or two places on today, and over the rest part of the country, there will not be any hailstorm conditions during next 5 days. Similarly, if you look for the thunderstorm warning, then mainly the Karnataka and the Telangana, the very likely to experience thunderstorm activity, lightning activity, and very strong gusty wind where the speed can reach up to the 50 to 60 kmph. And today and from tomorrow onwards, the wind speed will be seen in the range of 30 to 40 kmph, mainly over the Telangana and Karnataka. And from 22nd April onwards, there will not be any thunderstorm activity mainly over the Karnataka. And if you look for the Northeast India, then light to moderate rainfall activity accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning activity, and gusty wind very likely to continue over the Northeast India in the upcoming 5 days. And over the hilly areas of the Northwest India, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, will also likely to experience thunderstorm activity, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall activity, and lightning activity on today, and then thereafter on 22nd of April and 23rd of April. However, mainly the plain area of the plains of the Northwest India very likely to be dry in the upcoming 5 days. But mainly over the central India, adjoining parts of the peninsular India and some parts of the Maharashtra continue to experience thunderstorm activity at 1 or 2 places with the wind speed of 30 to 40 kmph. And over the East India, mainly Chhattisgarh, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana continue to experience thunderstorm activity in all the 5 days. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and our Twitter page. Thank you.